Today I'll be making banana bread with raisins and also be using butter for it. First you have to, prep your ingredients so you don't leave anything out, and you ensure all of your ingredients are actually measured in the right proportion and they are actually arranged so that when you start mixing up your items, you don't get to miss anyone. So you can see we have our bananas, butter and all. Then first you mash your bananas so that since we are making banana bread, you'd have your flavors and everything. Then you set it aside. Then you pick your sifted flour, you add up your baking soda, baking powder, every dry ingredient you are having, you add them up to your flour. Then you mix them together with your spatula. Since we are making banana bread, it doesn't need much, equipment to make. You can use your wooden spatula as I'm using, or you use the silicone one, or you can even use your spoons to mix these dry ingredients together. Then after you ensure you've mixed them properly, you'd set it aside. Then after setting that aside, you pick your bowl. Then you add, since we are using butter for this very recipe, you add your butter. Then you add in your granulated sugar. Then you mix. Well, you can either use a spatula for this, or you can use your hand mixer or a standing mixer for this process. But here I'm using the wooden spatula because there's no light and my inverter has gone off. So I would add in my dry ingredient, but I don't know how I managed to skip capturing that part where I added the flour. Then what you do now is, after putting in your dry ingredient, you stir. Then you notice it is kind of thick. Then you add in your milk. But certain times I tend to add in my milk in portion and the dry ingredient, but in this case I don't know how I missed adding my milk first initially. That's why you see we're having a lot of lumps here, trying to mix it to get a smooth texture. So you keep on mixing till you've gotten that smooth texture. If we were using a hand mixer, it wouldn't take us this long. So next you add in your baking soda and fold it in, because this wouldn't take long. Fold it in, and after that you would actually add in your bananas, your mashed bananas, and ensure you fold in your mashed bananas properly into it. And even when you mix the batter and you notice a bit thick, don't add in extra water to it or something, because this banana is going to actually make your batter it will loosen it kind of. So as you can notice now, it's even a bit lighter compared to what we had before. Then now you can add in your toppings, your desired toppings. Then you can bake for 45 minutes to 1 hour and your banana bread is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channels for more videos and recipes. Thank you.